Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the voice of my heart. I need you to listen to the voice of your heart, the song that's in your soul. What are the contents? What are the rhythms? What are the beat? Do not worry about the rhythm of the night. Don't worry about the rhythm of the earth, of the people. You are actually walking in your own direction. You're original. Everyone keeps going into one door, but it seems that everyone's going to the left, you go to the right. And as you stay consistent, everyone's going that's looking at the left, going in the left door. They're going to say, well, let me try this right door. That's different. And I like the results that you're getting. You're one of one. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself, and you have your own fingerprint, your own gifts that no one else has. Use that. Make sure that you express that. And that is truly living, and will make your heart and your soul shine. I silence the fear in me and discover the voice of my heart. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me on the path of life, success, prosperity, breakthrough. You will feel great by listening to yourself and not always trying to fit into the world in this definition of what you should do. Do what you feel. Show up, show out, and let your light shine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page will be a blessing to you. I love you.